If you're watching this video, chances are you've heard about the buzz of this new Profits Passport system. Okay, David Dekel, a millionaire online, has recently launched a brand new system that allows people to make up to $16,500. Now, whether or not you're doing your research right now, or maybe you're just watching this video, you stumbled across it, either way, I'm gonna share with you, first off, what this system is, how you can get access to it, as well as some results that people have been generating just getting started within the very last few days, okay, of recording this. So first off, real quick, I wanna share with you that at any time in this video, there's gonna be a link directly below in the description where you can go to it and find out much more information, as well as start to create your free account inside of this system. Now again, at the time of shooting this video, this is ground floor, okay? It's recently launched, so you definitely wanna get in while you can. Go ahead and do that. Now, what I wanna do right now is share on the screen just a few results of my good friends who have actually already plugged in to the link and have already started generating some absolutely incredible results. The first result I wanna share is on the screen right now. Now, this is my good friend Frazier. With just using this system, his very first 12 hours inside the system, he was able to generate a whopping over $4,000 in instantly deposited commissions. And then another friend, Joshua, okay, he actually plugged in to the exact same system. He saw the results, he saw the proof, he saw people from all over the world flooding into this brand new ground floor opportunity, and he was able to generate $2,000, okay, within 2 days after joining. $2,000. Now, he had never done anything that big online before. In one day, he was able to smash his record just plugging into the exact same system you can at the link below this video, okay? So this is absolutely incredible. Now, what I wanna do real quick is hop on my laptop and break down more information on how to actually plug into this system and set it up so you can start getting results as soon as this week. All right, my friend, now I'm on my laptop right now, and on the screen, you can see what it's gonna look like when you click that link directly underneath this video. Now, once you click that link, you're gonna get taken to a page that looks something like this. It may be updating the creator, David, who's helped thousands of people all over the world create absolutely incredible results online. He's constantly tweaking this brand new funnel so you can put as much money into your pocket as fast as possible, okay? So what you wanna do is you wanna enter your best email here, okay? Now you wanna put your best email because he's gonna be sending you emails updating you on the best method working today to make as much as $16,500 in commissions on total autopilot, okay? This is a passive automated system. Now, when you put your email in there, you wanna look out for your email inbox. You wanna also check your spam folder, okay? Because the emails may actually go into your spam folder, and you don't wanna miss out on any of these emails, because this is, again, a complete 100% done for you system. Now, once you put your email in, it's gonna take you to something that looks like this. This is the actual system, okay? This is how simple it is. And again, people have already been generating, $4,000, $2,000, okay? The sky is really the limit with this ground floor, brand new system that's just launched very, very recently, okay? Now, this right here is a video, okay? This is a webinar. Now, you wanna watch this webinar because you wanna learn exactly how this 100% done for you system works, okay? Now, you may wanna just rush and set up your income streams and sign up and create your accounts to start earning as much money as possible. It's very tempting, but I urge you to actually pay close attention to this video and watch this entire webinar, okay? He's gonna get into some nitty-gritty, incredible things. Now, the next thing to keep in mind is this is gonna be your link to promote. So once you create an account inside of this free funnel, you're gonna be able to get your link to start promoting to people on Facebook, on YouTube, etc., okay? He even includes the #1 paid advertising source that he recommends, as well as a swipe to deploy it and start to earn as fast as possible. Now, there's 5 different income streams, and again, you're gonna be able to find out more information at the link below, but essentially, income stream #1 is where you can earn up to $2,000 instantly paid commissions. You're not going to have to wait a week or up to 30 days like some of these affiliate programs. When you go to the link below and you get started now, you're going to be able to actually earn $2,000, up to $2,000 instantly paid, okay? And it even gets pass-up sales, okay? So based on when you create an account, how you position yourself inside the business is how you're gonna be able to earn, okay? So the level you come in at, you can earn that amount of money and below, okay? So you wanna do that. Now, once you create an account inside of Easy One Up, okay, which is the very first income stream, you're gonna get an ID, and you're just gonna come back to this page, put your ID in, okay, and hit save and update. This is gonna save it where when someone goes and creates an account through your link, you will actually get coded, and when they upgrade, when they decide to invest, when they decide to get started at a certain level, you're gonna be able to get 100% of that commission. Now, the next income stream is called Funnel X Advanced. Now, this is a pay per lead program, meaning you don't have to generate commissions, you don't have to make a sale. All you have to do is get someone to create an account, and you will earn a dollar rather. You will earn $1 for every qualified lead you generate, okay? And this really starts to add up, and people can even upgrade, okay? And you can earn as much as $998. This is an incredible program. And again, you wanna create your account and put in your ID right here and hit save. Now, income number 3 out of the 5 is one of the most profitable traffic sources, okay? So what you have to understand is when you go and start promoting things online, you need to track where your clicks and sales are coming from. This ROI panel is a tracking software, and it's by far one of the best ones out there today. Now, when you sign up and create an account, you're gonna get access to this tracking software that also has an incredible affiliate program attached to it, okay? So you can actually earn up to $748.50 per commission just with this income stream, okay? So again, where most affiliate programs that you decide to join, most affiliate programs you decide to get started, they actually only have one income stream. The thing I love about the Profit Passport system is it has up to 5 different income streams. Again, you put your affiliate ID here and hit save and update. Income stream number 4, this is where you can actually start making commissions on the #1 traffic source he recommends, which is solo ads. A solo ad is where you can pay someone to send out an email to their email list promoting whatever link you want. Well, what you're gonna do is sign up and create an account inside of Udemy. Udemy is a source where you can find endless solo ad vendors to actually buy from, and you can send people directly to your link, okay? Now, this is actually one of the main traffic sources I'm personally using to generate hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in commissions with this very system, okay? You just get your affiliate ID, put it there, and you can start earning with Udemy. And then the last income stream, okay, is very, very powerful, and this is big Bitcoin commissions, okay? So with this, you can literally earn up to $16,500 per commission, okay? And the best part is you can actually get started with $0 out of pocket. So when you sign up and create an account, you can start to go through training videos, learning how to do Bitcoin, how to actually start to make money with investing, and then you're gonna get an ID. When you put your ID there and hit save, now you can start earning, again, up to $16,500. This is absolutely incredible. And then the last thing I want to share with you, when you do, go to that link below, and if you haven't already, be sure you do that, because this is ground floor. Again, you want to jump in. If you've ever been waiting for something, you've ever been researching, watching YouTube videos, going through the grind, trying to find something, but you somehow could never figure out when something's brand new. If you're watching this video, then you need to get into this while it's still ground floor, okay? Now, the traffic checklist, this is basically where he shows you how to find good sellers on Udemy to purchase solo ads, and then he gives you the exact email ad copy, okay? So once you create an account at the link below, you go through the different income streams, you position yourself at the highest level you can. Once you send traffic, it's an incredible chance that you'll also be able to generate income as well. Now, I can't promise due to legality that you're going to instantly see $4,000 deposited in your bank account. I can't promise that once you go to the link below and you plug in, you're instantly going to just refresh your screen, feeling that excitement as you smile ear to ear, making a $2,000 commission like Joshua did. I can't promise that, but what I can say is that once you follow the exact same system that myself is doing, that people from all four corners of the world are plugging in and doing, there's a great chance you could change your life very, very quickly, okay? So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, go to the link below. You'll get taken to this page. Put your best email in. Look out for your spam folder. Look out for those emails. You want to whitelist David's emails so you can follow exactly what he's sharing to get the results that all these people have also been getting. Set up your income stream. Start to send traffic. You can also just post on your Facebook profile. You can post on Twitter. Okay, do whatever you can. Post this link. Get people into your exact funnel and let the funnel do everything else. Okay, so thanks so much for watching this Profit Passport review. I'm going to be making more videos, updates on my results. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And if you have any questions, comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you on the next video. Take care.